Are you looking to flip or invert a video in CapCut but aren't sure where to begin? If you've ever wanted to instantly mirror a clip, maybe to fix a selfie video or just add a fun twist to your content, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll confidently know how to flip any video left or right in CapCut, along with how to undo the effect if you ever change your mind. Let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure your video clip is added to the timeline in CapCut. If you haven't done that yet, just import your footage and drag it onto the timeline area. That's how CapCut knows which piece of media you want to work with. This is foundational. Think of the timeline as your workspace. Anything on the timeline is ready for easy editing, and you can see changes happen in real time. Once your video is on the timeline, click on the clip itself to select it. You'll notice that when you select a clip, it gets a highlighted border or outline. This just means CapCut recognizes which part of your project you want to edit. If you ever click outside the clip by accident, don't worry. Just click it again, and you're good to go. Now, let's get to the flipping part. Above the timeline, you'll see a series of icons and tools. Look for the mirror icon. It usually looks like two rectangles or a little reflective shape. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, CapCut will flip your video horizontally. It's almost like you're looking at your footage in a mirror. Everything swaps sides instantly. This technique is perfect if you shot a front-facing camera video and your background text is backward. Or maybe you want your subject to face the other way for creative effect. Think of it like flipping a printed photo over to see its reflection, except it happens in a click. If you need to undo the flip, just click the mirror button again. CapCut is really forgiving, so if the mirrored look doesn't feel right, one simple click will revert your clip to its original orientation. There's no need to worry about messing up. You can toggle this back and forth as much as you like without losing any quality. There's actually another way to mirror your clip in CapCut if you prefer working with menus. First, right-click directly on your video clip in the timeline. This brings up a drop-down menu with several options. Click on Edit, and then find the option labeled Mirror. Select Mirror. And just like before, your video will flip horizontally. Some folks like using the right-click menu for precision, or if the icons above the timeline get a little crowded. It's all about what feels comfortable for you. Think of this as having two different paths to reach the same destination. So no matter how you prefer to navigate, you'll have no trouble flipping your video. And if you ever want to undo the effect this way, just repeat the same process. Right-click, edit, and click Mirror again. The process is completely reversible, so you can experiment until you get the look and direction you want for your project. And that's all there is to it. Flipping or inverting a video in CapCut is quick, easy, and adds a useful tool to your editing skill set, whether you're working on social media content, YouTube videos, or anything in between. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and drop a comment below if you run into any questions or want to share how you're using the mirror effect. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.